Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can lock any album in your gallery. To do that, simply go to your gallery and tap on this menu icon. Now here you will see settings icon, tap on it and scroll down. Now here you will see gallery labs. If this option do not appear in your phone, don't worry, simply go to about gallery. Here on version, give it multiple taps. After doing that, this option will appear. Tap on it, scroll down and select Album Entry Logs. Enable this option and go back. Now select the album on which you want to apply lock. Let's say I want to apply on this. Simply select, tap on More. From here you will see Lock Album option. Tap on it and now as you can see my album is locked. To access, I need to enter my PIN. Now to remove it, simply tap on these three dots. From here you will see Unlock Album option. Tap on it and now my album is unlocked. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe and I will see you in next video.